Okay, on display here we have the Samsung. This is the HW-C43C. This is at a local Sam's Club. That's why it's got that C that ends at the end there. But this is the going rate right now here at this Sam's Club. I'll put a link in the description down below so you can compare prices with this on Amazon. But this is what it looks like up close. It's got some type of fabric feel here. On the top, it's kind of a hard plastic. It's not really metal, but it's a good size here that you can put pretty much under any TV from width to width. Let's go ahead and do a little sound test for this to see what it sounds like. Okay, so that's a sound sample. To be honest, I don't know that it was that loud. And I had it cranked up on this volume here I hit it quite a few times and it just wasn't that loud. This particular speaker does have Dolby Atmos or Dolby Audio with DT, so it's not the Dolby Atmos. It's got the two speakers built in there, wireless sub, and you can hook it up with your Bluetooth. But to be honest, I don't know that I would recommend this one just based on the sound here at the store. So I don't know if this helps you out, but this is a detailed look and a sound test of the Samsung HW-C43C.